Here at Trimble, our growth and constant alignment to the markets we serve has given us an opportunity to use our own technologies in a very progressive way. We recently built a new facility in Westminster, Colorado, and we were able to implement an unprecedented amount of Trimble technologies. Today, we'd like to share that implementation story with you. As a growing owner with a need for additional space, the first thing we did was employ our building analytics software. This software helped us to visualize all the people, facilities, and spaces that we have across the world. With that information in hand, we were able to drill down into our most active markets and make some informed decisions. We looked for considerations like cost to rent, cost to own, cost to build, and so on. In the end, we settled on this spot here in Westminster, Colorado. With the site selection made, we were able to move on to the next phase, leveraging some of our geospatial solutions to help learn more about the selected site. Here, you see our unmanned aerial system flying over our site. This device is capable of reporting back highly detailed information about the site in a very short amount of time through a very accurate camera and conversion into photogrammetric information. That information streams into one of our handheld GNSS devices and is coupled with a Trimble Total Station. We capture real-world terrain information so we can build a digital terrain model, or DTM. Sharing that model through our Trimble Connect environment makes it available to the other project stakeholders, the next of which is our design team. We use Trimble SketchUp to evaluate different concept design options, and once more, we take and make that information available in the Trimble Connect environment. Here, the structural engineer adds to the model an extremely high level of detail. Notice that we are able to view the design in full context of the site information that we collected in the previous phase. The design data shared through the Trimble Connect environment is further used to detail the civil design for the project. Within here, we are able to design the parking lot, walkways, and all the other hardscapes that would surround the new building. The data moves on again to Trimble Solutions for machine control. This level of control on the machines not only raises productivity to keep our schedule on time, but enables the achievement of a very high level of accuracy, which will translate to the tight tolerances we want to achieve for LEED certification of our high-performance building. Now it's time to start planning the details of the building construction, which we do with our model-based flowline schedule that is derived from the BIM model. We send that planning information up to the connected environment, and work is able to begin on the building itself. A few weeks into the schedule, and now we are inside the building doing some layout. This layout is done using one of Trimble's robotic total stations. An augmented reality overlay of the BIM is seen through a Trimble ruggedized tablet. In this example, we could see that some of our electrical equipment was in conflict with the intended design. Sending that insight through the Trimble Connect environment enabled the engineer to evaluate his design and the conflict with the architectural layout and quickly make resolution available to the field. With the rich information that comes from the BIM, we're able to track progress using a mobile device, enabling us to compare planned activity with actual performance and proactively mitigate any schedule delays. Trimble is dedicated to safe working environments as demonstrated here, even with collision avoidance systems on cranes. We can see here the combination of Trimble's technology resulting in our finished building. We now enter the phase of building operations. The flow of information continues on to one of our building managers, receiving a notice about a pipe that needs fixing. The building manager can then use a visionary technology to navigate his way to the item in need of repair. He'll log his actions so that they can persist forever within the IWMS. In the lobby, we find one of our teammates in need of locating an available conference room space. He uses his mobile device to search and find an available space instantly. That returns us to the primary space planner, who can then see from his desktop immediately that a space has been booked. Not only that, the space manager can see all of the spaces that are available, in use, due for renovation, or whatever else he or she may need to know about the facility. And that returns us to the cycle of planning. As Trimble continues to grow, we find ourselves back into the building analytics system and planning our next phase of growth. So stay in touch. Find us on the internet, connect with us on social media, or come out and visit us. Because in the next few months and years, we'll be raising the bar even higher as we build onto our future.